Hi there, I'm Lisa from Mythical Witchery. Welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'm doing an unboxing, and this is, I'm about 95% certain that this is a deck that I backed on Kickstarter in June of this year. And if I'm correct, this is the Oracle of Water. So let's open it up first, and then I'll give you a bit more information on the deck itself. So I have cut through the tape to save time. I've covered up personal things like a dress and so on. And let's see. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, how pretty is that? Okay, now I'm not sure, as I know I did not order the cloth for the Oracle of Water. So, it certainly looks like it. Oh, look at this. Oh, how beautiful is that? And then this, no, this has to be the Oracle of Water. It has to be. Okay, let's just take all of these things out. Wow, so much stuff in here. And this beautiful cloth. Put that box aside. First, let's have a look at this cloth. Wow. How pretty is that? Yeah, gorgeous. Looks like, oh, I was going to say it looks like waves, but actually looks like a water dragon there, doesn't it? And here's another kind of creature. There's another. Oh, wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. So at first glance, it looks like it's water, but it's so much more. Wow. Okay, that's really pretty. And I did not order the cloth. I know that for a fact. But to have that included in there is really special. That's gorgeous. Machine washable. Okay, put that up there for now, and we'll look at all the little extra bits here. So there are some bookmarks. Let's look at the bookmarks first. This is the fun part of doing an unboxing, because normally I would be, if I wasn't unboxing it for a video, I'd be doing all this just myself. And I was so excited when this arrived today, and I just really wanted to tear into it and have a look at everything. But then I thought, you know what? You would probably really enjoy seeing all this too. So here we are. Okay, so first we've got this bookmark. Oh gosh, that's pretty. It's got a link here, Rare Dragons. RareDragons.com. So these must be from some of her other decks that she's created. She's created a load of decks. Let me just go on the Kickstarter really quickly. Okay, so 59 created. Oracle of Water. Dice, Bones, and Gemstone Oracle, Dragon Scale Oracle and Field Guide, Literary Fairies, 100 Dragons Oracle Deck, Coloring Book and Stickers. I'm not going to list them all, there's so many. Dragon and Creatures Loot. Wow, Dragon Loot, all kinds of stuff. So, wow. Okay, some stickers. So we've got that water dragon there. And this is from the cloth. Oh, pretty. And then there's the guidebook, but we'll look at that after. And yes, it is the Oracle of Water. I was almost completely certain, but you know, you never really know, especially as I'm expecting a few decks to come in. And then seeing that cloth, that really threw me off. But that was a really lovely and unexpected addition. Oh, look at this dragonfish identification chart. It's cute. Oh, and these are the extra cards. More dragonfish. So I'll set this aside to look at later as well. Okay, I'm going to move these to the side. Okay, so let me just give you a little bit of information on this deck. So this was the Oracle of Water, and it was launched on Kickstarter in June of 2024. And here we are, not even the end of August, and already received rewards like that. That's phenomenal. I have one Kickstarter I backed over 2 years ago, and I'm still waiting. So this was phenomenal. That she got all of this done and pledges fulfilled within this time frame. So her name is Jessica Feinberg. I really hope that I pronounced that correctly. My deep apologies if not. And I selected, it was called The Dip in the Lake, which was just the deck with the paperback guidebook and PDF guidebook. And I think I added on these cards here. Let's see. These were the dragon cards. I might have done that. I might have done that actually when I paid for the shipping. And now that I think about it, I'm wondering if maybe I added on the cloth as well. That's probably what it is. That's probably what got me confused. So we'll look at those momentarily. These are the rune cards. This is a set of, I believe, 60 matching rune cards. Get the plastic off there. And I'll put those to the side for a moment as well. And let's look really quickly at this guidebook here. So it's got a lovely, soft, kind of buttery feel. Paperback. And she signed it. Explains how to use the rune cards along with the oracle cards. There's, looks like a number of spreads. So 3 card spread, 4 card spread using the rune cards. Splash spread, how cute, which is 4 cards. Another 5 card plus 2 runes. Oh, how interesting. I love this. Sand and Sea, which includes 2 runes and 5 oracle cards, another 5 oracle card and 1 rune, and that's called the Deep Sea. And there's the list of all the runes, and then details for the cards. So this is full color. This is beautiful production quality, really, really nice, and gives, looks like lots of information as well. So I'm quite impressed with that. I'm really glad that I went with a physical book. Now let's look at these oracle cards. So it comes in this beautiful kind of satiny bag. Gorgeous color. It's one of my favorite colors. And I am a water baby, so I could not resist getting this. Get that plastic off there. Never a big fan when there's plastic to take off. because you got to be careful you don't damage the deck. Okay, so these are the cards. These are the backs. And again, we've got these beautiful watery dragon spirits, and looks very fey, doesn't it? It's got a really fey feel. There's no edging on it, which is totally fine. These look to be about the size of a standard tarot card. Let's just have a quick look here. So, got about 2.75 inches or 70 millimeters by 120 millimeters. So yeah, that'll be 4.75 inches then. Yes, so these are tarot sized. Standard tarot size. They feel really nice too. Let me just look at the details of this deck and see if I can find anything about the cardstock, because I think, okay, just give me a moment here, and if it takes too long I'll just delete out the extra. Okay, so yes, I found it quickly enough. It is printed on 310 GSM black core stock. That's why I was sitting here thinking to myself, this feels really nice already, and it's obviously it's because it's on such good stock. So it's just a matte finish, but as you can see the how thick it is for the 60 cards. Let's just get right into it here. Okay, I may be working backwards with these. Actually, let's just do it this way. So, ancient serpent guided by stories. A beta mermaid. Protect your individuality. I love this. Oh my god, I love this. I love betas. I think they are absolutely beautiful fish. That makes me really happy. Bioluminescent serpent. Be clear, honest, and emotionally transparent. Bunyip. Don't get too close. Cecilia. Flexibility is needed. Adapt. Community. Working together benefits all. Deep sea diver. Cast light into the darkness. Deep sea kraken. Deeply hidden emotions may not be what you expect. Deep sea mermaid. Surviving a harsh environment. These are really beautiful. Really beautiful. Fierce fisher. Keep fishing for that big catch. Take a sip of my coffee here before it gets cold. Fishbowl drake. Oh, it's time to venture out of your comfort bubble. Fish whisperer. Many voices to be heard. My back is a bit sore today. I'm struggling to hold up these cards. Friendly merman. Be open to new adventures. Frilled sea serpent, spread your fins. Gator maid, let go of future worries and stress. Golden sea serpent, earn your fortune. Greater reef dragon, big scary things may be necessary. Greek kraken, big emotions must be handled with care, lest they become destructive. These are really well thought out. Grindilo, it's okay to be afraid. Beautiful production quality on these. Okay, Hippocampanchilla, I think that's how you'd say that. Deeply entwined with another. Hippocampanchilla. Hippocampus, make some waves. Hoga, aggression creates problems. Hopeful mermaid, find hope. I really love this deck. Really love this. I have been looking for a really good water oracle deck, and I've got a couple, but I just wasn't entirely happy with them. So when I saw this pop up on Kickstarter, and especially considering the quality of the cards, I was really excited. The island, your expectations are keeping you from seeing what's right here. Joyful swim. Take time to enjoy, celebrate, and frolic. Okay, Kappa, find your own balance. It's got like a little turtle shell on there. Some kind of sea turtle. Kelpie, beware of beautiful temptations. Oh, the kitty fish, embrace your curiosity. That's lovely. That's so cute. Now, I'm certain that these are watercolor. I need to get back into painting again. I've been away from it for a while. Koi serpent, perseverance and courage is needed. Lake serpent, go ahead and rock the boat. Just don't capsize it. Lily pad draconis, croak to your own tune. Oh, pretty. Meditative drift. Time to pause and center yourself. Yeah, upon thinking about it, I'm certain that I added the cloth and the extra little dragonfish during when I paid for the shipping. I added them. Merlion, the strength to endure. It had me really confused. Marrow maid, embrace the power of transformation. I'm getting older. My memory isn't what it used to be. Minor water dragon. Small actions make big ripples. Gosh, I love these cards. They're so beautiful. And you know what? They were really reasonable. Like this and the little oracle cards, the rune cards, were $34 US plus shipping. That's unbelievably cheap. Yeah, makes you wonder. Naiad. Faithfulness has great value. What? There we go. Ocean Naga. What is hidden? Octomose. Oh my god. Oh my god, how cute. Destroy in order to create. Octomose. That is absolutely adorable. She must have had so much fun painting these. Otter King. Respect boundaries. Rainbow Serpent. Now is the time to embrace creating something new and life-changing. Rare sighting. Value this experience. I love the colors in this deck. They're so gorgeous. They are absolutely right up my street. Yeah, if I had designed the color palette, it would be exactly like this. Ray Drake. Recalibrate your emotions. Red-eyed water leaper. The answer may be unexpected. Let life surprise you. Reef mermaid. What you feel is what you need to feel. Oops. There we go. Reef wyvern. Don't take it personally. I'm not showing the bottom of the card because that doesn't matter so much. I mean, you're seeing it here, but when I get up close, I want you to just be able to get a good look at the artwork here. If you're wondering why I'm doing that, River Drake, get moving. It's time. Or maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. It's more likely it. Runes Sea Serpent. Past resurfacing may cause strong emotions. These are just a pleasure to touch. Seahorse Drake. Value what you have. Seaside Serpent. Take a break. Sea Crone. What is wisdom worth? I love these. Silky. Freedom or love. Shark Maid. Embrace your primal power. Shell Collector. Building worth and wealth. The School. Swim within the group. They look like a bunch of koi. I love these. These are really nice. Starkeeper. Hold on to your dreams. Underwater exploration. You need to know more before making any choices. underwater ruins. You need to learn from the past, even if the lesson is hard. Whirlpool serpent, embrace the chaos and harness its power. Warrior merfolk, sometimes a fight is necessary. And water leaper, take the leap even if it's scary. Trust yourself. Okay, so these are the main oracle cards. I'm just going to give these a shuffle. Oh, that is a really lovely shuffle. You can feel the quality of the stock. Okay, we'll take one card and check the guidebook. So we've got the Kelpie. So here's the page. Beware beautiful temptations. The Kelpie first appears as a stunning stallion or mare, so beautiful that one can rarely resist approaching it. One hardly notices the water getting deeper as they are drawn to the majestic beast. Come close enough to a Kelpie and you'll have only a few seconds to see its true, terrifying nature before you are drowned and sometimes also trampled. Encounters with the Kelpie remind us that something that appears beautiful and tempting from a distance may be entirely different beneath the surface. This kind of temptation should always be approached with caution, or not at all. And the rune of the horse, powerful coincidence, the sleek strength of the horse allows it to move with graceful power. To embody the horse is to find your own true confidence. Okay, that's really nice. I like that a lot. Okay, you know what, I can't resist fanning this out. Yeah, that's a lovely fan. Isn't that gorgeous? That looks so pretty. Okay, I'm going to put these aside and take a look at the rune cards. But before I do that, I'm going to zoom this in because my shoulders and back are hurting so much that it's hard to hold up the card. So give me a moment just to zoom in. Okay, so here we are, and these are the little rune cards. So starting with the leap, which is go for it. The battle, time to fight. The whirlpool, surprising developments. The ruins, unavoidable endings. The vessel, travel safely. The star, renewal. The school, coordinated group. The shell, protective charms. Of course, I've forgotten to show you the back so that you're seeing them here. Oh my gosh, my nail looks horrible. I apologize for that. It's chipped off. Here I am on camera with close-ups. The shark, apex predator. The seal, imaginative power. The nautilus, patterns of growth. Vacation, relaxing fun. Haste, be quick. The rainbow, the big connections. The river, follow the current. Thick scales, tough protection. Coral, banish nervousness. Surprise, something unexpected. The ray, carefulness. Sorry, gracefulness. Oh my goodness. It's obviously not enough coffee, that's what it is. The sea serpent, truth or fiction. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. The snake, fertility and creativity. The otter, valuable friendship. The mouse, agility and challenges. The coil, many layers. It is going to be so much fun using these two decks together. Fresh water, refreshing and pure. The ripple, effective influence. The lantern, signal of sanctuary. The lion, loyalty and bravery. The surface, first appearance. The lily pad, new beginnings. The boat, a journey. The koi, fortunate circumstances. The cat, curiosity. The horse, powerful confidence. The turtle, protection from negativity. Swimming, exploration of self. The island, return or escape. Hope, find the light. Aggression, threatening behavior. The wave, uncontrolled freedom. The spiral, entwined or entangled. The mud, a mess. I can relate to this card. Destruction, devastation, and chaos. The reef, strength in diversity. Salt water, purify and protect. The alligator, trust instincts. The fin, find your way. The merfolk, encounters and meetings. the voice be heard. The bowl can find space. You can see how these are relating to the other oracle cards. The watcher, patient observation. The deep emotional depth. The claw, be decisive. The helmet, catch your breath. Seaweed, inner growth. The tentacle, grasping tightly. Distance, space needed. Bones, core strength. The individual, independence. The tale, stories and legends. Okay, in a moment, I will shuffle these, but before I do, and I'm almost certain this is exactly the same cardstock, I just want to have a look on the Kickstarter page for a second. And talks about so it says, you'll notice that the oracle cards all have a symbol on each card. So going back to these, you'll see the little symbol down here. And she says that these are runes, and they're unique for each creature and can be used to connect with this creature by carving or writing it. And the guidebook also has meanings, and then all of those can be found on these cards. Okay, and what else does she say here? So the runes can just be used to gain additional insight or as their very own oracle deck, which is really nice. And let's take a quick look at the dragon. And this was an optional add-on. And these are called, let me just look here what she said about that. Oh, actually, these were on here. So these are dragonfish. So we've got the beta Draco, or Draco, I guess, anger, clownfish Draco, and these are the same size and cardstock as the oracle deck. So you can just add these in, and the backs are also the same as well. So you can just add these into your deck. Sorry, this one is amusement, discontentment, joy, contentment, panic for the pufferfish, desire, fear, sorrow, and love. You know, I am so impressed, like really impressed. Let me just get this camera zoomed out again. Like really, really impressed. All of these extras and how they fit in with the cards, with the main deck. So you've got a 60, and then there was an extra 10 of the dragonfish cards. That is a 70 card oracle deck plus a 60 card rune deck for $34, and they're on a black core cardstock. That's amazing to me. So anyways, this is the Oracle of Water by Jessica Feinberg. I will be sharing links to Jessica's website in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed having a look at this and sharing in my unboxing of this really gorgeous, gorgeous deck. I'd love to hear what you think about it. Pop your comments down in the comment section down below the video. I do read and respond to absolutely everything, and I can't wait to hear what you think. So that's me, all done. And I will see you again next time. And until next time, may love and laughter light your days. Bye for now.